Hey guys, we're here at the Autogeek garage. We're super excited for race week. We're so excited that we get to wash a car that's going to be actually on the track at Indianapolis. What do we got here? What is this? The Wienermobile. We've got something that's actually going to race on the track during the Weenie 500 on Friday during Carb Day. We're here at the Autogeek garage. We'll see you guys. Hey, we're here in Indianapolis at Autogeek and Sonax's corporate office. We're getting ready to wash these Wienermobiles for the Weenie 500 that's coming up this Friday on Carb Day. We did let these rims cool off a little bit. I'm getting ready to spray the Sonax Beast right on the aluminum rims. You do want to make sure those rims are cool to touch when you are spraying this on, but this is really going to release all the brake dust and really make this shine. So we're going to spray this on here. I'm going to let this dwell a little bit, about 2 to 3 minutes before we spray this off, and that's just going to loosen up really all of that dirt and grime and brake dust that's on there. We also have our tire cleaner here, the Sonax tire cleaner, and this is great for the rubber because a lot of times with the rubber you get a lot of browning and things like that, and this is really going to take that browning off and just expose that rubber and bring out some freshness to it. So we're going to do that all over this as well. You can actually see the brown literally falling off as this is being applied to the wheel right now. So you give that a nice coating, let that dwell for a little bit, then we're going to come back and we're going to pressure wash it off. I've let the product dwell on the tires long enough, about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm now going to spray them off. You can actually see it's actually activated here. You have a little bit of the purple residue coming down. That means that it's attacking the brake dust and just the dirt and debris that's there. We're introducing the new Sonax foam cannon. This thing creates so much foam. It's going to be like shaving cream on this. We're going to cover up that chili dog, but we're going to get it washed up here. Let's see what we can do. I think one of the things I really like about this foam, which is the new foam from Sonax with this foam gun, is it adheres to the side of this really good. So it's going to really break down that dirt and allow us to wash this, but the longer it sits on there, the easier that dirt's just going to fall right off. In the Wienermobile, I'm using the boar's head attachment with this nice extension. These are available on autogeek.net. They're going to be able to hit all those areas that I don't have to get my ladder out for. Gives you a nice reach and really just want to agitate all those areas to loosen that dirt. So when we spray it off, that'll just get it nice and clean. And honestly, the way these bristles are, I love the fact that these fan out, because even in tight areas like this, that hard plastic is not hitting the surface of the vehicle. So you're able to get into all those tight areas without really hitting anything. And on an unusual vehicle like this, we have a lot of tight areas. This is awesome though. Yeah, so this came in and it actually said, wash me. I don't know if you can see that or not, but obviously we got to clean this back end as well. So we're here on the Wienermobile, cleaning the top of it right now. We're using the Ego pressure washer 3200. And the nice thing is that, you know, Cole's up here with the wand. He's actually able to adjust the speed just on the handle by pressing the Bluetooth connectivity, and he can change the speed from low, medium, and turbo. We have about 20 minutes to turn these around so they can make it to the raceway. It's very important. I want to protect these. I'm going to put a 90-day protection on these. I'm going to use a spray and seal. So after we've washed this, we're now going to spray this all over it. So we're hitting it with the Ego pressure washer. I still have the spray and seal. We're going to do this back end. There's a little bit of soap here, and it's still okay to go over soap. That's okay. So I'm still going to spray this as high as I can get. We'll get the ladder out here in a minute. But I just want to get this back end protected good, because when this came into here, this was actually the dirtiest, one of the dirtiest areas, just because it's getting that road dirt and debris. So just a little bit of that, and that's actually going to spread out as we spray it on there, so it's going to really help us. So this is a good picture. You can actually see where I've sprayed this bottom half and the upper half hasn't been sprayed yet. We're gonna get the ladders out here in a minute, and we're gonna hit the top part of this. That's crazy how that spreads out like that, Cole. Another quick point about spray and seal, you wanna make sure you do this when your car is wet. When you do apply this to the surface, you don't want it to dry. You wanna make sure that you spray that product in and it spreads out over your car. We're here finishing up this Wienermobile, getting it ready for the Weenie 500 on Friday on Carb Day. We're gonna pull this in after we've just washed it. We're gonna pull it in our garage here at Autogeek, and we're gonna dry it down and get it on its way. I'm excited to show you guys a 765. So this is normally just a leaf blower that you'd have in your garage, but when you add this great accessory, this is the AST 2000. This is an accessory that I can now turn my leaf blower into just being able to blow the car off. We used our spray and seal on here, so you can see we got nice beaded water. I would use a blower like this on a unit like this with all the nooks and crannies and all the cracks and crevices, so you don't get water spots.
Look at that, you guys did wonderful. It's never been cleaner. Thank you guys so much.